Find the total capacitance of following networks. Then this is the first network. Then we have to find the total capacitance of this network between A and B. C1, C2. Then we can first find the C1, total of C1, C2. Then also total of the C1, C2. We already know our series දෙකක් තියෙද්දි. Two capacitors are in series, then we can write the total. C1 into C2 over C1 plus C2. Yes, that is very easy. Then here, in this case, C3 and C4 are in parallel. Then we have to add then the total of C3, C4, then C3 plus C4. Okay, then both C3, C4 and C1, C2 are in series the parallel. දෙකම තියෙන එතකොට series නේද? Series. Then this is the මෙන්න මේ දෙක තමයි දැන් series තියෙන්නේ. C1 into C2 over C1 plus C2. Here C3 plus C4. හරි මේ දෙක අපිට දැන් series තියෙන. series තියෙනකොට දැන් අපි මොකද කරන්නේ?
again අපි ආය ගන්න ඕන.
again අරක පාවිච්චි කරනවා. C1 into C2 over C1 plus C2 into C3 plus C4 over C1 into C2 over C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. Okay, this is the total one. Next, second one. Then here C1, C2 are in series, ne? C1, C2 series. Then total of C1, C2, C1 into C2 over C1 plus C2. C3, C4 also are in series. C3, C4 over C3 plus C4. Then both are in series the parallel. They come series the parallel.
දෙකම parallel නෑ series ඊට පස්සේ parallel නේ.
Oh, again, මම කියන්නේ මේ දෙක. අපි total එක හෙව්වේ.
Parallel.
Parallel, yes. Then we can add. Then C total equal C1, C2 over C1 plus C2 plus C3 into C4 over C3 plus C4. All right. Next, third one. 2 microfarad here are in series. 2 microfarad. 2 capacitors with 2 microfarad are in series. තියෙනවා. එතකොට මේ identical capacitors දෙක මෙහෙම series තිබ්බොත් අපි කොහොමද ලියන්නේ?
ආය arrow යොදමු.
Yes.
4යි එකයි ඔකට 1 microfarad.
Yes, 2 over 2 නේද? 2 over 2.
Yes.
Capacitance of 1 and divide by number of capacitance are in series. Then 1. Yes. Then here මෙතන කොහමද ගන්නේ?
6 divided by 5.
Yes, 6 divided by 5. හරි හොඳයි. Then here
plus 2.
Yes. නෑ ඉස්සරම අපි මේ ටිකේ දැන් මේ ටික parallel නේ. අර
Yes,
1 එක parallel 1 parallel ආයි මොකද්ද එකත් එක parallel වෙන 2 parallel තව 6 over 5 parallel. Yes. දැන් මේ ටික add වෙනවා නේ ඊට පස්සේ මේ ටික add වෙනවා. Oh, sum එක. Yes. Then here
3 and 15. 21 over 5. 21 over 5.
Yes. 1 plus 2 plus 6 over 5 මේ ටික මොකද එතන කිව්වා addition එක
3
15
yes
plus,
21 over.
Yes 21 over 5 ne.
Yes.
Then 21 over 5 and I'm got the
42 divided by 5.
Yes, 2 series ne, 2 and 21 over 5 series. Then we can 21 of total like how many
21 into 2, 21 divided by
5 into 2 over 21 over 5 plus 2.
21, yes, plus 2, right?
Hari maliwa.
Hari.
Okay,
1.35.
1.35 there. Hari baru. මෙතන එන්නේ එතකොට 40, 42 over 5, 31 over 5. Then 42 over 31 ne. Next one 2 over 3. Here 2 over 2. 1,
6.
2 and 1 and 2 over 3. Then total equal to 2 plus 1,
9 plus 2,
2 over
11 over 3.
11 over 3 microfarad. Next, okay, then here all are capacitors in this diagram මේකේ ඔක්කොම identical. That means 2 microfarad. එතකොට මේ set එකේ අපි කීයක් තියනවද උඩ? 1 2 3 4 7 නේද? 7 2 microfarad capacitors. Then 2 over 7. 2 over 7. Then here 2 over 2. That means 1. Here 2 over 4. ඊළඟ මෙතනත් 2 එකක් තියෙනවා. 2 over 4 mean here half. Okay, then all are in parallel. 2 over 7. It was say 1. Next half. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කරන්න ඕනේ
Divide
මෙන්න
by
parallel set එකේම අපි
21.
ගන්න ඕනේ. Parallel set එකේ.
No, 20 divided by 21, right?
Yes.
කෙල්ලෙන් කරලා.
හරි. 2 over 7 1 මොකේ මේ ටිකේ ඇඩිෂන් එක දාවේ එහෙම.
එතනට 25 divided by 40.
25 divided by 40.
14.
14.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then here 25 divided by 14.
Multiplied by 2.
2. එතකොට මේකත් බලන්න ගන්න ඕනේ කොහොමද? 25 over
Divide by
14 into 2. දැන් series තියෙන්නේ. 25
yes, sir.
over 14 plus 2.
50 divided by 53.
50 divided by 53. Okay.